Seasol make a range of hose-on products that you can buy in singles, all these twin packs. Now when you get the twin pack, they're easy to set up. Just give it a little bit of a shake to stir up all the goodies, take the cap off, and then put the straw into the hose-on cap nice and firmly. Screw that on there, connect the hose, and you're in business spraying. Now sometimes you can find the flow gets a little bit weak. All you got to do is get your secchies and just cut the straw with a bit more of an angle and it'll flow beautifully.